Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Reels on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve Reels on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Facebook and you can click. Then you'll enter to first stop. Here you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.